Hi everyone. So somebody suggested that I do a cooking video the other day when I was trying to cook. So this is my attempt at that. I've already failed as I put too much grease in the pan, in my little pan to fry eggs. That's all I'm trying to do is fry eggs. And I've already failed at adding too much grease, but now it's hot, so I'm gonna use it. As you can see, the whole place is already kind of on fire. So let's try that. So how I lower the eggs in there is that I use a little ladle, and that's how I do it. So they don't break and they stay in one thing. But this is my little technique. I don't know where I picked this up, or if I saw it online or something. This is what I do. How's the camera? It's right here. Yeah. So yeah. So this is what. Oh my god. So because I added too much grease, I get this happening, and I did lower it. I lowered the temperature so I wouldn't, die. My door is open, so it's my window, and the puppies are outside, so they don't deal with this. But yeah, this is a mess. And I did manage to do another one earlier, so it's not a complete failure. But so I lowered the temperature again, so I don't die. But I added too much grease to this, so this is kind of messy right now. And I do like my eggs over easy, so I'm gonna take it out right now. It's already like burning. Wow, it's made such a mess. So let's try for the other one. As I'm like here dying with tears because of the smoke. Do it like my little ladle technique. Is this a ladle? I don't know. I'm not a cook, you guys. Clearly. I mean, I thought, in case it's not obvious, I am not a cook. So again, thoughts and prayers, you guys. I need them. Positive thoughts. I have a little piece of egg shell. There we go. Got it? Got it. Alright, let's see. So let's try this again. Yeah. Ah, crap. Why is it always long like that? So yeah, my mistake number one was that I added too much oil in this, and now I'm like. And my second mistake was that I put the heat too high, so I have it now in like medium, and most of the oil is spilled all over the place. So I'm gonna clean it as soon as I'm done. But yeah, this is a mess. What did you guys say? Oh, you cook for me? Thank you. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't teach your kids how to cook. Teach your kids to do their own shit, because then they grow up to be like useless adults to some things like this. Teach your kids from a young age to do things, so they don't have to like go through this when they're adults. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, that looks good, right? Does that look good? I don't know. Oh, it's dripping all over the place. Yeah, I think I'm done. So, let me just add some salt to my things. Love my some salt. Turn these off. Move this out of the way so I can clean it. Clean this really quick. Yeah, lots and lots of grease. Yeah, don't worry, I'm not gonna burn myself. I know enough not to burn myself, and that's about it. So yeah, don't spoil your kids. Teach them to do things. And that's it. This is my little lunch plate. Some spinach, some rice from yesterday. I just heated up, and yeah, my eyes are all teary because my eyes are all teary because of smoke. Yeah. You're gonna cook for me? I'll cook for you. You're sure, no problem. I might butchering your name. I am. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna eat and then go play some Smash. Thank you for stopping by and indulging me in a little quick video. Let me turn it around so you guys can see. Yeah, it's my little plate of lunch. There's rice under there, rice with chorizo, and then fried eggs. And I'm gonna add some cock sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna add some cock sauce. Let's go in my fridge. Yeah, cock sauce. That is what I call it. There we go. Little cock sauce in my eggs, and that's it. Done. This around. You're gonna give me a new cookie for my birthday? Okay, Justin, I'll take it. It's in January, so it's coming up. Alright, guys. Bye. The dogs are outside. Hey, guys. Okay, let me say. You guys can say goodbye to the dogs. They're running around outside. Akira, say goodbye. Come here. Akira. No? Inuki, come say goodbye. No? No? They're just there being majestic. There you go. Hi, guys. Hi, Inuki. Say goodbye to the people. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, they give each other a greeting. And here's something for the bottle because of course he is. Alright, bye.